So this is the house that's for $715. The Vizcaya with the pool, 30828 Spruceberry. So I'm gonna go inside now. So this is what you see when you first walk in. Floor to ceiling, 2-story view. The white spindles with the brown accent. To the right here you have a bathroom with some brown sleek tile and tan. Coming around here you have 2 nice washer and dryer and wire storage. Down here they have a bedroom instead of the office that the other house has. You still have the big under staircase storage. Coming around the corner here, they made this into a sitting room. So you see the furniture with all the natural lighting coming in. To the left we have the dining room. Entering the family room area. This is what you see, the tray ceiling. Victor's trying to hide. Eating kitchen. This one has nice stone backsplash with espresso cabinets. So we're gonna go out to the pool now. Just before you get to the pool, there is a half bath or the pool bath along with some additional storage. Ooh. So here we have double doors, glass doors that open up to the pool. And you don't have a water view, but you have a view of the conservation or wetland. And they have a built-in fire pit. That nice tan travertine tile. And this is what you see looking in from the pool area. So here's the bathroom. Again, the matching tile from the first bathroom. Double sinks. Nice tan theme. And here you have the closet space. And then the water closet coming down to the bathroom. They did some shelving. Okay, cool. Organizational in here. Same thing on the other side. It's the exact same layout, I believe. And then this is the master. This looks like a king size bed or a queen size bed, I'm not sure, with the tray ceiling. Alright, so then we're gonna jump upstairs so you can see the second floor. The staircase is carpet leading up to the second floor. To your left you have another guest bedroom, so this would be the second guest bedroom with the closet down there. Here's the bath. Here's that bonus room. And they did do a fridge and the sink. So there's a fridge here, the sink, and still the cabinet space. The same storage closet with the AC. This one does not have the open loft or the open sitting room. They turned it into another bedroom with a bathroom and a bedroom. So in this one you have three bedrooms on the second floor along with the bonus room. And then you have 2 bedrooms downstairs, the master and a guest room. All right, thanks. Let me know if you have any questions.